We all know the saying, be careful what you wish for. What is that alluding to? It alludes to the fact that when you set your intention and your sights on something, that intention changes the way that you interact with your reality, and it also transforms you because you are given endless opportunities. You are going to hit up against endless opportunities to step into what it is that you say that you're wanting. So for a lot of people, they hit this point where everything starts to fall apart and they think that they're doing something wrong. That's because those things have to shatter for you to step into what it is that you're wanting. Or people feel like it's like one bad thing after the next thing after the next thing. That's because you say that you're wanting that thing. So now you're going to be given endless opportunities. And if you can see it that way, then it really changes how difficult it feels. It's not like those things are against you and like you're up against bone and you're bashing your head against the wall. What's really happening is that you're being given, and if you can become aware of it, endless opportunities to practice embodying what it is that you say that you want. And that is the small moments to the big moments and everything in between.